Hi everyone, today we're going to tackle a problem that looks difficult to solve or tricky to solve, but it is not. I promise by the end of this video, you'll be able to solve 10 minus 10 divided by 10 times 9 divided by 9. And when you look at this problem, you're probably thinking about PEMDAS. It's an acronym for the order of operation. P stands for parentheses, E exponents, M multiplying, D division, A addition, S subtracting. And you'll use this to solve this problem. And so you're looking at this problem and you're like, okay, so where do I start? Okay, well, according to PEMDAS, M will be first, so I'm looking for multiplication. There we go. 10 times 9 is 90. And then you just work yourself through PEMDAS and you get the answer. Well, guess what? That is wrong. That is absolutely wrong because you're not following that order from left to right at those levels. And I'll explain more in a second. So that is exactly what we are going to clarify today and also solve this problem. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. I'm trying to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. So please subscribe, hit that like button if you like this video, if it helped you. And let's begin solving this problem. Now, going back to that misconception, the biggest PEMDAS, I call it like that, PEMDAS mistake, is not understanding that the multiplication and division are on the same level. They have like their level. And then addition and subtraction are also on their own same level. So that's one of those big mistakes that some people will have, not understanding that multiplication and division are on that same level. And again, addition and subtracting are also on their own same level. There are two different levels. And don't just follow the PEMDAS letters in a strict order like M comes first, then D, or looking at addition, A comes first, and then S will be second. No, instead, when looking at the problem like this, work from left to right within each level. There are two levels. So it's like reading a sentence, in other words. So let's go ahead and apply what I just said to this problem. So we have 10 minus 10 divided by 10 times 9 divided by 9. First, we look at the operations, of course, and then we'll start working with multiplication and division because they're that top priority of PEMDAS before addition and subtracting. And then we go ahead and see which will go first. Well, 10 divided by 10 will go first because it's the first one in the line, if you notice. It's not multiplication. So the first one in the line from that level is division. So we go ahead and divide 10 divided by 10 equals 1. And then we bring everything down. So 10 minus 1 times 9 divided by 9. There. That is what we have now. Next, we look at which one comes first, which level comes first. MD is top priority, so we'll go with multiplication because it's on that first line, or it's the first one in that line. So 1 times 9 is 9. And then we bring everything down. And now we have 10 minus 9 divided by 9. Next, or finally, we will move left to right again. And we solve 9 divided by 9 because it's the last multiplication division level in that line. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. And then we bring everything down, which is the 10 minus, and now we have 10 minus 1. And now we just do normal subtraction. 10 minus 1 is 9. So the answer is 9. And there you go. Hey, I hope this video helped. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to support. And thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. There you go.